Hello cuties, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click bell icon for getting more updates. So I'm gonna say that I'm gonna share my biggest secret to you guys which have been I used for a while and got good results, so I'm sharing to you.
Let's begin. Take beetroot, ginger, lemon. If you want, you can add carrot, orange too. Now cut into small pieces so we can grind it nicely now put these pieces into a jar. Start grinding by adding water into it. It helps us into deoxy, hydrating our body and from acidity too, and improves our blood pressure too, and it glow our skin. Now you can see the result, so strain it properly into a bowl. Now you need to add into container for ice cube shapes. Freeze it, and by the next early morning in warm water, you need to add 4 cubes of beetroot ice cubes into it, and drink it so you can see the results day by day. Thank you, like it, share it, subscribe, follow for more.